Welcome to Up All Night DIY. I'm Monica. Thanks for joining me. Today's the Power Up Collab, hosted by my friends Sarah of Ken Sarah DIY It and Zaina of OK at Home DIY. This is a monthly collab that features women and our power tools. I'm making some boho pumpkins. Let's get into it. I'm starting in reverse order of my typical power up video. I'm beginning with painting and then heading to the power tools. I have a few panels of MDF, which I'll give each a coat of paint, starting with Ceramcoat pumpkin, and I'll apply 2 coats. I want to add an ombre effect, so I'm double loading my brush with Ceramcoat pumpkin and Americana Warm Sunset. So once I get my brush loaded, what I'm going to do is I'll stroke the center of my panel with the Warm Sunset end of the brush toward the middle, blending the 2 colors and reloading as needed. Now I'll come at it from the other direction. I flip my brush around, stroking the Warm Sunset again in the middle, moving my brush toward the bottom, blending as I go. While that dries, I'll paint my other 2 panels. These 2 will be just 1 color each, Folk Art Sage Chalk Paint, 2 coats, and Ceramcoat Sand Dune, 2 coats. I designed these pumpkins in Silhouette Studio and cut them out. I have 2 larger pumpkins and 1 slightly smaller. I'll be applying these to my painted panels. Once I have them on my panels, I'll go right over the vinyl stencil with black spray paint. When they're good and dry, I peel away the vinyl, exposing the designs. And now I'll head over to my scroll saw and cut out my pumpkins. I'll just follow around the black edge of each pumpkin, gently pushing my panel, allowing the blade to do its thing. I have my blade at the fastest speed, allowing me to rip right through these very quickly. I'm keeping my fingers away from the blade, and I should mention that I am wearing safety glasses too. Using a scroll saw is very easy. It's a very versatile tool. All you have to do is follow your design lines. It's very similar to using a sewing machine in that regard. This is The smaller one I'm working on now with the curly vines. Really cool. I've sanded down the jagged edges, and now I'll paint the edges with black acrylic paint. I'll seal them with clear matte spray. I drill holes into the top of the 2 large pumpkins. These will be door hangers, so I stack them so I can drill through both in one go. To make the hanger, I'll wrap a length of 19 gauge wire around a paint bottle. I cross the wire right against the bottle and give it a good twist. I'll twist all the way down, leaving about an inch at the bottom untwisted. I push the wire through the hole, and I'll wrap the wire around itself in the back. I'm adding 3 beads to the hanger of the sage pumpkin, 2 natural and 1 black. I'll make a bow for the orange pumpkin using this cute plaid ribbon from my stash. I'm making 4 loops. I'll pinch it in the center and twist the chenille stem around the middle. I'll dovetail my ends, and then I'll hit the cut ends with a lighter to keep them from fraying, and then I'll fluff the bow a bit. I make another bow from this burlap ribbon, same deal. I'll twist the first bow on top of this bow, fluff it again, and dovetail those ends. I string 3 wood beads onto some jute, knotting the end, and I'll tie that to the center of my bow. I drill another hole on the side of the stem. This is for my bow. I'll push the chenille stem through the hole and twist it together in the back. There. How cute is that? Here's the final look. I love the way these turned out. I hope you like them too. Thank you, Sarah and Zaina, for hosting. Please be sure to check out their channels and the playlist. There are always great projects and tips. You'll find the links below, as well as a list of my supplies. Stay creative, my friends. Thanks for hanging with me. See you next time. Up All Night with Monica.